Good morning, Dean Davison, liveweatherblogs.com. Meteorologist here. Taking a look at a severe weather outlook. This will also include a little bit of a midday outlook for the Mid-Atlantic, central Mid-Atlantic, lower southeast areas as we go along here. First, taking a look at the severe weather area. This is a New Storm Prediction Center outlook. This is actually really neat because you can do a lot with it. As you see here, it's a little different than what you're normally used to seeing here in the Storm Prediction Center. We got the slight risk area, which is in this tannish color. What I did is have cities and towns, big cities and towns overlaid. Wichita's in slight risk, Topeka, Tulsa, Oklahoma City, Wichita Falls, Texas, Abilene, Dallas, Shreveport, Greensville, Mississippi. And you can see that's really, I can do a couple other things. Drop interstates over top of them. If you want to put county warnings on the area, you can do that. County warning area, I should say. This is how the Weather Service goes to each point of county warning. And this is even the biggest cool. I think this is the coolest thing. Population. The more black you have, the more population. Obviously Dallas, the pudge black. Definitely here in the Northeast. But you see where I'm coming on this. This is a very useful tool when we want to say, okay, this is going to be real bad severe weather, in this area. And you can go and do your normal things. Hail, large hail expected in Abilene, Texas, Wichita, Dallas, and also east of Wichita, Kansas. And the wind's going to basically be in the same area, and you get the point. Those areas are under the gun today for severe weather. And much like we were just discussing, that will be the hail winds high and the risk of tornadoes. The risk of tornadoes will mainly be in the areas of Oklahoma, Kansas, and Texas. Now when we push into the day on Friday, you can see we have a much bigger area with threat of severe weather. We're talking about Columbus, Indianapolis, Cincinnati, Louisville, Evansville, St. Louis, Peoria, Hannibal, Tulsa, Oklahoma City, and Wichita Falls. These areas will be under gun, including Nashville and Bowling Green, Kentucky, for the chance of severe weather, and that would all progress to the east in the nighttime towards Roanoke, towards Charleston, towards Charlotte, and Raleigh. You see, these are outlined really well. Like I said, with this new thing, you can outline an outline of Philadelphia, there's an outline of Baltimore, an outline of Scranton, New York, Roanoke's included. This is easy to pinpoint for y'all. A little bit easier when you look at this map. And I like the Storm Prediction Center's idea. Back down here, you see how far south this is. There's Tucson, where Rob Garino is going to be working for the NBC station out there. So, very much a great map come out with now finally for the Storm Prediction Center. Much like Levi had yesterday, and we're looking at a slight risk, an area here above the islands east of Florida, that has a chance of becoming a extratropical system, or not extratropical, a subtropical system. It's only April, people. It's not even inside of May yet, and we're talking about a subtropical cyclone possibility. Won't probably stick around for long. We'll take a look at now at the satellite model and so forth. Here's a system on a subtropical possible system here. This is the satellite picture of it. You see, it does have a interesting amount of cloud mass. You see one low trying to form there, and that's why it's subtropical. All the energy will not be around the center of circulation, but the winds are strong enough out there to possibly warrant this to be subtropical. Like I said, here's the system here versus the islands. The Bahamas are here, Florida, he pretty much picked this up, Puerto Rico and the islands down here. So this system is what we need to watch. Movement's going to be majorly away from the area. So it's something to keep an eye on, because next front, I'm going to try to kick in and kick it out. You can really see that on here on the water vapor imagery. There's your trough. I'm going to push this away. We'll locate around there. This is going out. See. because you have also this complex thunderstorms that we're talking about with severe weather. Like I said, there's the projection for the next stage to the system. It may become a subtropical system, and if that is, first name on that list will be Arlene. Now we'll take a look at the Roanoke Valley and the southwest Virginia area. Temperatures at this time: 45 Hot Springs, 55 Staunton, 60 Lexington, just around the 60-degree mark in Roanoke. Blacksburg 54, 58 in Bristol, 61 in Danville and Martinsville. Temperature around the country: 45 Bangor, 38 Seattle, 40 Billings, 38 there in Minneapolis, 73 here in Houston, 79 New Orleans, 75 in Orlando. There's a difference in the temperatures in this area, and this is where you're going to have showers and storms over the next couple days. Alright, for the Roanoke Valley forecast. Yeah, 68 degrees this afternoon, then we get cooler tonight, rain. Rain into Friday. It's going to be a rainy day on Friday. 53 degrees, heavy rain throughout the day, and that includes Friday night. We do have saturated clouds. Watch out for possibilities of flash flooding. Drizzle, if anything, early on Saturday. Then everything will clear out. Next day, don't do any kind of canceling your plans on base of areas of drizzle. Alright, Saturday night, 58, partly cloudy, 83, what a rebound on Sunday, 85, going towards 90 degrees by Monday. We get back into possibility by the middle of the next week of severe weather around this area again. In the Triad, scattered showers this afternoon, 70 degrees, 50 tonight, rain likely on Friday, might be heavy time, 64. That will not drop the temperature at night on Friday with rain continuing. Then 76 Saturday with a chance of drizzle and in the morning and clearing out. 64 Saturday night. Let's do Sunday. On Sunday, 85. We'll go towards 90 degrees on the day Monday. In the Triangle, we're looking at 72 degrees. Afternoon scattered showers. Rain likely Friday, 60 degrees. That goes into Friday night. Clearing on Saturday, 80. 87 Sunday, and right around the 90-degree mark on Monday. DC Metro, 62 degrees this afternoon. Pretty some clouds tonight, 43. 53 Friday, with rain. Chance thunderstorm Saturday, 74. 81 on Sunday, 80 on Monday. In the Philly Metro, 62 this afternoon. 53 Friday with chance of showers. Rain likely Friday night and the Saturday. Some thunderstorms are possible. Then showers and rain throughout the weekend, straight into the day on Monday. So a wet weekend for the upper Mid-Atlantic, Philadelphia region, and a warm return down here in the Roanoke Valley and southeast. Lots of stuff to talk about today, lots of stuff going on. Stay with LiveWeatherBlogs.com for your latest weather information. For LiveWeatherBlogs.com, meteorologist Steve Davidson. Have a great day.